you feeling stiff, sluggish, or tight? Well, this 5-minute dynamic energy flow is designed to wake up your body, increase circulation, and boost flexibility so you feel lighter, looser, and ready to dominate your day. No equipment needed, just your body and your breath. Do this anywhere, your bedroom, living room, or even outside. You might ask, what's the game plan here? We'll flow through 5 powerful stretches that will lengthen your muscles, loosen tight joints, and energize your spine. Most people jump into their day without prepping their body, but not you. You're here taking charge. And I promise that by the end of this routine, you'll feel refreshed, mobile, and ready to move. Let's hit the mat. A deep stretch to wake up your hamstrings, spine, and lower back. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart and take a deep breath in. As you exhale, hinge forward from your hips, bringing your hands toward the floor. Let your head hang heavy, relaxing your neck, shoulders, and spine. If you can't reach the ground, bend your knees slightly and grab your ankles or shins. Hold this position for 1 minute, taking deep breaths and feeling the stretch in your hamstrings and lower back. This stretch releases tension in the back, stretches the hamstrings, and promotes blood flow to the brain, helping you feel more awake and refreshed. Beginners, keep your knees bent for more comfort. Advanced stretches, grab your elbows and gently sway side to side for a deeper release. Now that we've loosened the hamstrings and lower back, let's add some movement and target the inner thighs. Improve your flexibility, mobility, and spinal rotation with this dynamic movement. Step your feet wider than hip-width apart, toes pointing slightly outward. Inhale, reach your arms up, lengthening your spine. Exhale, hinge at the hips, reach your right hand towards your left foot, while your left arm extends to the sky. Inhale, come back to the center. Exhale, repeat on the other side. Left hand to right foot. Continue alternating slowly with control for 1 minute. This stretch improves hamstring flexibility, spinal mobility, and core activation, while gently engaging the obliques and lower back. Beginners, bend your knees slightly if needed. Advanced stretches, hold each touch for a longer stretch before switching sides. Now that we've loosened up the lower body, guess what we're about to do? A full range of movement to loosen tight hips, improve circulation, and engage your core. Stand with your feet hip-width apart. Place your hands on your hips. Begin making slow, controlled circles with your hips, as if tracing the edges of a giant hula hoop. After 30 seconds, switch directions and rotate the other way. This movement improves hip mobility, strengthens the lower back, and enhances circulation, making it great for warming up the body. Beginners, start with small circles and gradually make them bigger. Advanced stretches, keep your hands overhead for a core engagement challenge. Now that your hips and spine feel more mobile, let's fire up the glutes and stabilize the lower body. Lifting your left knee out and repeat for another 30 seconds. Fire hydrants strengthen the glutes, improve hip mobility, and stabilize the lower body, helping with better posture and movement. Beginners, lift your legs slightly lower for less strain. Advanced stretches, add a small pulse at the top for extra glute activation. Now that our hips and glutes are activated, let's open up the chest and shoulders to counteract slouching. A powerful stretch to reverse tightness in the shoulders and upper body. Stand tall and clasp your hands behind your back. Straighten your arms and press your hands down toward the floor while lifting your chest. If you can't clasp your hands, hold on to a towel or strap behind you. Keep your neck relaxed and hold for 1 minute, breathing deeply. This move counteracts poor posture, relieves upper body stiffness, and increases shoulder mobility, especially if you spend time hunched over screens. Beginners, hold a towel between your hands to make it easier. Advanced stretchers, fold forward while keeping your hands clasped for a deeper stretch. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.